Supposed to inform the press that there will be a press conference tomorrow. So, I'll be addressing the press and taking your questions tomorrow, because only after finishing all the proceedings will I be able to get finally consolidated report to all of you. Therefore, I urge and I request if we be allowed to continue with our program, and then tomorrow, as I said, after finishing 2 days of different programs, I'll be briefing the press about all the details. But just at least for this particular program, I am very happy that we have finally inaugurated the party office here in Imphal, and this is a very, very important step towards structuring and organizing the party. And I congratulate our state president, our respected MLAs, and all these state office bearers for working tirelessly and with full commitment to ensure that this particular office was completed on time. And as I said, today is a very, very auspicious day for us, a very important day for us. And I once again congratulate the state president and the entire committee, as well as our honorable members. Thank you so much, and I would request the press if we can be allowed to continue with the party meeting. Thank you so much.
Camera still is full, then we ngashi han hang ni ham tro